Stop by and take a look at the 2014 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, chrome wheels, heated mirrors, wheel locks, brake assist, intermittent wipers, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors, privacy glass. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.